discuss about some important cereals. Rice, rice. Wheat, wheat. Barley, barley. Millet, millet. Oats, oats. Maize or corn, maize or corn. And the last one on our list for the day is quinoa, quinoa. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different kinds of cereals. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.